Hey guys, it's Miss Senseless and welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, this is week 5 post-op, but I'm not going to be talking about my surgery too much, maybe just a little bit, but it's week 5. Well, since at least I've been on leave, and it's going to be 5 weeks Thursday since I had my surgery, but it just feels so good to be back to like my normal self. I'm like 85% there, and that's in the sense of me still being swollen a little bit in areas. I'm sleeping now back on my sides because that's where I usually sleep. I usually sleep in a fetal position, so I'm back sleeping on my side and it feels so good. One side is a little bit more tender than the other, but you can see me moving and stuff like that. So yeah, last week and the week before that, oh my god, I just felt like I was not gonna ever get back here. I know some people, I know I said I was gonna talk about this, but I'm gonna talk about it briefly. I know some people said that when you're going through surgery, and I said this is my second surgery, but this first one was major, but some people said that you get depressed at some point. I mean, I try to see if I can get depressed, if that makes sense, but it just couldn't. I know people go through depression. I know depression is an illness, but I guess the type of energy that I have, that I wasn't able to have that experience. So but just the fact that I was going out, I was doing things. TikTok had me busy because if you don't know, I'm pretty big on TikTok. My information is down in the bottom, and I'm also on Instagram. So with social media, the kids, my better half, I'll call him that because look, my TV going up. Yeah, that's what he want me to call him. That just pretty much, life just kept me busy, watching the news, watching the inauguration and things like that. It just kind of kept me busy, so I didn't get that depression feeling that people kind of talked about. So that's a good thing. But I'm back to, like I said, my 85% of me, normalcy. I go back to work in another week and a half. So am I happy about that? Nope. But gotta go back to work, gotta bring back in them coins. But overall, I'm doing good, no complaints. I'll probably do maybe like a 6-week or a 3-month update or something like that. But I mean, it is what it is. I feel great. My esthetician, when I took my boyfriend to go get some, his facial and stuff, she's like, and me and her are really good friends. She's like, oh my god, look at your skin, you're glowing. Even though she came over here when I first had my surgery, so just getting rest and stuff, just made me just, feel good about everything overall. Y'all gotta excuse me, I'm up here making up my bed. I haven't even eaten breakfast or nothing, but I'll tell you, I'm up here doing more than I'm supposed to. But look, making up my bed as always, cleaning down my dresser because here had documents, I mean just papers and everything here, so just getting that done, cleaned up. Thought about hiring a maid service, but I was like, hey, heck no, that ain't gonna happen. But I probably might. Always say I want to try and see how that works, but I don't know. So pretty much just getting back to everyday life, just getting back to every day. I have to go in here and make me some breakfast, get me something to eat. My eating habits will change a little bit. It will change, even though I eat pretty good, but I will go about changing my eating habits, especially going back to work, because I do work nights, so I would not be having those hefty meals like I was doing before. Look, my stomach is growling right now because I'm hungry. So I'm about to make me my tea, sweet and low, and I use chai. I'm having chai tea. Love chai tea. Oh, love it. So I'm gonna make me that. Make me a bagel and cheese, wheat raisin bagel and cheese, cream cheese, wheat bagel, cinnamon raisin bagel, with cream cheese. Yeah. And that's gonna be breakfast. Y'all hear my dishwasher. One thing I must say, during this whole process of my surgery, I use my dishwasher more than anything else. And I am not a person that really uses a dishwasher. I'm a hand washer, because I always grew up washing dishes by hand. But, best thing ever. But other than that, yeah, like I said, I'm doing pretty good. Much more better than before. Each week is progress. So, I know there's a lot of people that, not a lot of people, but a few people that, excuse me for the lightning, that said that they were going out on surgery, going to do their things. All I can sit there and tell everyone, when you're going to do anything like this, slow crawl wins the race. Slow crawl. Don't rush anything. Take your time. You know, speedy recovery for if you got, you know, flu or anything like that. But situation like this, speedy recovery is not it. Take your time. Take your time and recover. This ain't no joke, especially with COVID going on right now, and we about to hit another up, you know, strain or up, whatever you want to call it, uphill or whatever. You know, but take your time. Make sure that you have everything that you need. Make yourself comfortable. Make your home comfortable. Make sure that you have somebody with you. Make sure that, you know what I'm saying, you have things to do. Your laptop, Netflix, you know, Hulu, Amazon Video, whatever it is. Because I did watch a lot of interesting movies and things like that that I didn't even know was there. So that definitely kept me, you know, kept me together. Find your nice, comfortable place and enjoy just relaxing. And, you know, eventually, every day, it's progress. Every day is progress. You'll get through it. And like I said, just make sure you have a big support system at home, and you will definitely get through it. You know, other than that, you know, just you know, a safe surgery journey for those who have anything upcoming. And if you need any questions or answers, feel free to drop me a comment and ask me, you know, whatever you want. Not a problem with that. So it's your girl, and I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, I am, matter of fact, I am on my way to Walmart. Yeah, of course you can see I am driving. I think I did mention that I started back driving not too long ago. So I kind of started back driving here and there in between. Last week, which was 4 weeks, this week I make 5 weeks. So I started back driving like right at, you know, 3 weeks. But when I was driving, I drove when I was also 2 weeks. Yeah, and it definitely was challenging. So with that, when I was driving at 2 weeks, I used a pillow. I have like a cushion pillow, an old sofa pillow or cushion, and I was sitting on that. I was sitting on it, and it made it, you know what I'm saying, made me feel much more comfortable. My seatbelt wasn't too tight or anything like that. So that was at 2 weeks. At 3 weeks, and I think I drove twice during 2 weeks, which I wasn't supposed to, but you know, still trying to do a few things. At 3 weeks, which was the week after, I kind of got rid of the pillow, you know, from sitting on it, and I was okay. You know, it's still kind of, you know, tight, but I was okay. Let me see, last week, of course, I didn't need any pillow, and I was good. I was good. This week here, of course, this is only the beginning of the week. Yeah, I'm okay. So last week and this week is pretty much the same thing. You know, driving fine, you know, and everything like that. So basically, like I said, you know, earlier, getting back to, you know, normalcy, which is, you know, 85%. I'm good. You know, so within the next week, 2 weeks, like I said, it's only the swelling that I have right above my hairline. So not above my hairline, and below my hoo-ha, you know what I'm saying, is still really, you know, swollen. And they said that usually takes a little longer, and I show you guys, you know, little bits and pieces of, you know, what area I was talking about. So I mean, that's expected. Like I said, I'm still kind of, you know, tender, but it's not stopping me from doing things. You know, yesterday I was dusting, you know, and things like that. Try not to overdo it, but do kind of the light work, the light stuff, you know, nothing that's gonna, you know, very strenuous. But other than that, you know, everything is good. Like I said, 85% normalcy. So I'm definitely good. So, you know, everyone's body is kind of different, so I can't really tell you how your body may react. This is what's going on with me at my post-op, you know, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 2 weeks, whatever update I try to give, you know, to let you guys know how I'm doing, and how, you know, kind of what to expect if you're going to be going through a you know, surgery procedure like what I did. So, you know, I'm just trying to make sure that I, you know, give the proper and correct information based on my experience, not based on anyone else's, but on my experience, and at least you can have an idea. And I try to give you my honest and true fact, you know what I'm saying, of what's going on with me. You know, so, you know, as every day go by, when you're doing something like this, you're gonna, you know, every day is gonna be better than the next. And, you know, I always tell people, they call to check up on me, I text, you know, every day is better than the next, or every week is better than the next, you know. And that's basically what it is. Take your time, you know what I'm saying? There's no rush for, you know, recovery period. Everybody recovers different. No one, you know, one person is the same. So, you know, so this is me. I'm driving, you know, normally like anything else. Speedy Gonzalez as always. So yeah, but anyway, I'm heading over to Walmart, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna say welcome back. How you guys been doing? I hope you guys been doing good. I hope you guys been enjoying my content with my tummy tuck, hernia, and muscle repair video. I really and truly thank you guys. You know, I just wanted to, like, you know, make sure that I just made this video just to give, you know, make these videos just to give people an idea of, like I said before, of what my experience was. You know, I know they have some people that have been on here that have surgery that's upcoming and things like that, but like I said, take it slow, take it easy. But I'm going to show you guys, it is 5 weeks. And I'm also going to do a review. If I haven't already posted it, I'm going to post it either which way. But I'm going to show you guys what I look like. And today is Friday, which will be the day before Valentine's Day. So today is February 13th. So I'm going to show you guys what I look like at 5 weeks. And in this video, I'm going to also show you guys what I also been using for my scar. So yeah, so hold that, I'll be right back. Alright, this is my Jesus Lord. This is my front view, and this is my side view. This side, around from this side. You know, I didn't look. I can't really see everything. This is like a lot of fat. It's not even much. You know, something I can easily work out. So I'm not worried about that. And this is what my scar is looking like. See guys. I tell you, it's like I have one little stitch that's right there, but this is what it's looking like. You gotta excuse, you know, this is just me from my shorts and stuff. This is what I'm looking like from the side. Still a little swollen right here, right in that area right here, still a little swollen. This is what my scar looks like. Let's see. Over here. Yeah. it. And this is at 5 weeks. Yeah, so that's me at 5 weeks. And you guys see the scar. It's really doing good. No openings or nothing. It's pretty much completely sealed. But what I started using about a week ago, it's this. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have probably heard of it. It's bio oil. It helped to even out skin tone and to also, you know, reduce your scar kind of look. I've heard about this from someone before, but it's been a long time. But yeah, so I've been using this, and it says to help improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. And let me tell you, the little stretch marks that I do have, I can even see those are kind of fading, and it's like, wow. So I've been putting this on here. It says apply twice a day for minimum, or 3 for 3 months. You can use this during, you know, when you're pregnant, on your, they said your second trimester and stuff like that. So like I said, this is bio oil, and this is what I've been using for the past week. And let me tell you, I can't have no complaints. Even with the little thread in that area where it's at, there was like a little piece of scab that came up. Did you see? I don't know if you saw the little area, and I started putting that on there, and boom, you know. So like I said, that's what I've been using, and I've been pretty good, and I've been massaging myself. And like I said in my last video, I showed you guys on the massage that I've been using. But minimum swelling just here in the lower area, so a lot of that swelling has went down. I use my Spanx, or I'll use my waist trainer, and my doctor says it's all fine for me to use any of those items. So, you know, works was comfortable for you. I have my fajas. I can, you know, use that also. But other than that, I'm doing pretty good. No complaints or anything like that. I go back to work next week. Am I happy? No. I like being inside the house. Like I said, I've been driving. Just pretty much 85% of me, I am back to, you know what I'm saying, normalcy, or even probably 90%. You know, I sleep pretty good. I sleep on my side. I sleep on my back. I sleep, you know, the only thing is that, you know, it's still kind of tight. Very still tight, so you still have to be careful. I don't do any lifting, no bending, no sudden two movements. So even though with, you know, the outside looking, you know, with the scar looking the way that it is, you know, it's still a healing process in the inside also and outside, because you still can't do anything sudden, because everything here is still pretty tight. So you do feel, you know, that pull. So like I said, you know, overall, I'm back to my everyday self, but like I said, I'm not overdoing it. So for you that's out there, yeah, take it easy. Don't overdo it. Let your body, you know what I'm saying, go through the motions and let the body heal. Let it take its time and heal. So, but anyway, it was good talking to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this journey with my tummy tuck, my hernia, and my muscle repair. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, I will try to answer it the best of my ability. Just leave me a comment down in the bottom. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, thank you guys. I don't know if I'm going to do another update on this maybe 3 months down from here, but I'm going to get back to doing my other things that I, you know, usually do. A little makeup, you know, travel and things like that. So follow me, you know, for my lifestyle, you know, journey or lifestyle vlogs. Anyway, I'll see you guys, and thank you, and I'm out.